Hi, I'm Clay and welcome back to our channel. If you want to create stunning software demo videos but you are short in time and maybe even budget, don't worry, I'm going to show you a game changer. So today, we are diving into ActivePresenter, a powerful yet surprisingly easy to use tool for you to create mind-blowing software demo videos in practically short time. Forget about complex editing tools and hours of manual work. ActivePresenter streamlines the entire process from capturing your screen to adding those professional touches that make your demo truly shine. Whether you are showcasing new features, onboarding users, or trying to impress potential clients, this is the way to go. Alright, let's jump right in our video. First thing first, you will need to download and install ActivePresenter. It's available for both Windows and Mac OS, and there's even a free edition with no limitation in features for you to try. To start recording your software, you will need to click on the Record Screen as Video button. Now, you will have a few recording options. You can record the entire screen, or a specific application window, or even a custom region. I usually recommend selecting the application window you want to showcase. You can choose to record with webcam, voiceover, or system audio or not. Then click Record, the red button here, and ActivePresenter will start capturing everything you do within that window. While you interact with your software, it automatically captures not just the video, but also your mouse clicks and keystrokes. And later, you can totally customize how these effects look like while editing the screen recording video. Finishing recording, you will be moved directly to the workspace to edit the recordings. ActivePresenter makes it incredibly easy to insert things like call-outs, text captions, shapes, media objects like videos, images, and so on, to draw attention to specific areas or explain features in more detail. So just go to the Insert tab here and choose whatever you need. You can customize their appearance, animation, and timing with just a few clicks. Now, want to add your voice to explain things further? No problem. ActivePresenter allows you to easily record your narration directly within the project. Simply select the slide or section where you want to add audio and click the Record Narration button here.
Click on Templates to view all the beautiful templates of your presenter.
Then simply edit it with the tools here. What I love is the AI noise removal feature. One click to clear all the unwanted noise.
Click on Templates to view all the beautiful templates of your presenter.
To be more professional, considering adding transitions between slides or sections in the video. ActivePresenter offers a variety of smooth transitions that can make your demo flow seamlessly. You can also add animations to individual objects to make them more engaging. So just select the object and explore the animation options. Once you are happy with your demo video, exporting is just a breeze. ActivePresenter offers various export options, including popular video formats like MP4, WMV, AVI, and so on. You can even optimize your video for different platforms and screen sizes. So just go to the Export tab, choose Video, and adjust your desired settings. That's it! In just a few simple steps, using the power of ActivePresenter, you have successfully created a mind-blowing software demo video without spending lots of time and requiring much advanced video editing skills. So, if you are looking for a fast, efficient, and effective way to showcase your software or your app, I highly recommend giving ActivePresenter a try. The free version is fantastic to get started with, and the paid versions offer even more by unlocking several advanced features. If you have used ActivePresenter for this purpose, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.